everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a glueless wig installation video. You guys, I have a new little secret when it comes to installing my wigs, and this thing is so secure. I don't use any glue, any got-to-be or anything like that, and my wig is melted and laid. And this beautiful hair I'm using today is from Unice Hair. This is their 5x5 lace closure wig. I love it, y'all. The hair is so cute. Definitely like a curly, but I would consider this more like a kinkier curly because it's big. It's a lot of hair, you guys. I think it's like, I believe it's like 200% density. Definitely big, beautiful diva hair. But okay, you guys, I've rambled enough. Let's go ahead and get right to installing this wig. So today we're gonna be installing this beautiful wig from Unice Hair. And this is just a little box that your wig comes in. Now I do have a lace closure wig, and this is a wig with a 5x5 closure and Swiss lace, and it's also 200% density. It's like this really pretty curly texture. Now I did already co-wash this hair, and this is what the lace closure looks like in the front, and this is what the wig looks like on the inside. So today I'm gonna try a new method of installing my wigs. As you guys know, I usually I love to wear a wig band. Okay, so this right here is a wig band. I've been looking for something a little bit thinner, something that gives me a better hold, and I actually came across the Wig Fix. Okay, and I'm really excited to try this. So what the Wig Fix is a silicone headband, and it's designed to keep your wig in place. So you can go ahead and just put this on, and it'll help your wig remain secure while protecting your hair underneath. So this is how this looks. It is completely silicone, as you guys can see, and it does have these little ridges on it. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and apply this right over my cap, and it feels really comfortable on your head. It doesn't feel tight or anything like that. It feels extremely comfortable. I love how it just sits and like molds to my hair. It feels really, really good. And personally, I like using a band because I hate using like clips or combs or any of that type of stuff. So I know you guys are wondering how this thing works. So basically your wig like wraps around it, and the pressure like from your wig makes the band work and just lock everything in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my wig, and you do want to make sure you have a nice fitted wig, or you want to make sure your wig has a security band on it. So we're just gonna pop our wig on. So the first thing I noticed is definitely how secure this thing is, and I really like this color. It's very undetectable underneath my wig. It looks really, really natural. I really love how it's looking so far. And you guys, my wig is like crazy secure, like super, super secure. It's literally not going anywhere, and that's crazy. You guys, this wig is literally going nowhere. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut the lace. So next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut my baby hair. Okay, you guys, so instead of using gel, I've been liking to use this Fantasia Liquid Mousse Spritz. I've been liking to use this Fantasia Liquid Mousse Super Hold Spritz. And I really like this, one, because it smells just like the beauty salon, but I like it because it definitely, it holds my baby hairs in place without them being, just too crunchy or too much going on. As you guys know, I do like to swoop them into place before I actually go in and cut. I think I have the amount of baby hairs that I want. I'm gonna go ahead and take my dryer and just dry everything down before I go in and cut it with my razor. And you just want to use like any razor you have or whatever, but I like using a eyebrow razor. It works the best. So I did go ahead and cut my baby hairs, and now I'm just gonna spray a little bit more of the spritz and just remold my baby hair. So I'm pretty much done with the baby hair. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and wet down the hair a little bit in the front because it is a little bit big, because you guys, this is a lot of hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring it down just a little bit. So I just went in and wet the very front of my hair. And guys, this wig fix is so amazing. Like, it doesn't move when you're like co-washing your hair. Like, I love this. It's definitely gonna replace my other wig bands, and it's so flat and comfortable. And I'm gonna put a little bit of my Edge Booster Stronghold styling gel just on the like the front of my unit, and a little bit on the hair, because this is like some really big hair and I want mine a little bit more controlled. Okay, I definitely like when my hair has like a wetter look to it, like in the front. This wig looks so natural, you guys, and I'm gonna do another clip of the hair just so you guys can see just how full it is, because you kind of can't tell, but it's very soft and very pretty. It comes down pretty far. This part in the front is a little wet, so it looks a little bit longer, but once it's dry, the curls are super, super cute. So let me know in the comments below if you want a more in-depth video on the wig fix. I just got it, but I definitely love it. I want to wear it and use it for a little bit before I give you guys a full thorough review on it, but so far so good. Like, this wig is on, you guys, and I didn't use any glue or anything like that. I'm gonna save this wig for the spring though, because here in Chicago it is so cold, and wearing this hair I would literally have to keep co-washing my hair just to keep it looking exactly like I want. But it is gorgeous, you guys. Super pretty hair, nice and big and soft. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have it linked below. I'll also have the wig fix linked below as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little install video. I just wanted to show you guys my new found method of installing my wigs. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to thumb this up and subscribe. Make sure you comment below and turn on those bell notifications so you're notified every time I post a video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.